If you're a viewer of Sweet Freedom Sunday, you'll know that I believe that chocolate is God's way of saying He loves us and wants us to be happy, and that I'd much rather live to 100 with chocolate than 100 without chocolate. Now, saying that, we've just come off the holidays, and we probably all had our fill of sugar and sweet treats and are looking to clean up our act in the new year. That's just what we do. So with this in mind, we've got a fabulous Sweet Freedom Sunday hot chocolate recipe that's super easy, delicious, and good for you. Start off the recipe with half a cup of cashews, raw cashews, that you're going to soak overnight in some spring water or filtered water. So the reason we soak cashews is to release anti-nutrients, to activate enzymes, and also to make them really soft so that they blend up super creamy. And the next morning you're going to drain the water from the cashews. You don't want that water for your hot chocolate. What you can also do the night before is to take a medjool date and pit it, and then soak it again in a little bit of warm water. Now, this will also soften up the date, so it makes it blend much more easily. But with the date water, unlike the cashews, we want to keep that water and use it in our hot chocolate, because this date water has a lot of the sweetness in it, and if we throw that out, it's not going to be as nice. So you're going to add in your raw cashews, the date and the date soak water, and a tablespoon of raw cacao powder. If you want it darker and stronger, you can add in 2 tablespoons. And then a touch of chili and cinnamon. Cinnamon helps regulate the sugars, chili gives it that kick and a spice, and the salt brings out the flavors of all of these things. Then you add in your water, and this is where you start to blend. Make sure your water's boiled and hot, because that'll make it a nice hot chocolate. And then you blend until the cashews are completely combined and you have a super creamy and frothy hot chocolate. So the difference between this hot chocolate and most of the hot chocolates out there, a typical example of a Starbucks type hot chocolate will have over 20 grams of sugar in it, whereas this has about 8 grams of sugar per cup. So it's a dramatic reduction in the amount of sugars you're getting, but the wonderful thing you're also getting is tons of nutrients from the dates with the fiber, the cacao, the cashews, and all the little other bits and pieces that you're putting in means that you're going to be able to taste the sweet chocolatiness without the downside of highly refined ingredients. So let us know your thoughts about our version of hot chocolate, and also I'd love to hear about your versions and what kind of holistic ingredients that you add into your hot chocolates to make them taste fantastic and make you feel even better. So for more delicious recipes like this that won't spike your blood sugar, are super easy to prepare and absolutely delicious, click the link below to find out more about our 21-day sugar-free challenge.